Cooking, Dad?
I'm gonna make some rice for the shredded pork tacos we're gonna make later. Okay. Everybody's been asking me to do like a, hey, you're gonna make a rice one, make a rice one. I already did the beans, but that's a little bit different. So we'll do the rice.
Okay.
Rice is they're gonna be the 2-to-1. So it'll be like whatever cup, like if you use a cup of rice, you're gonna use 2 cups of water. Same thing. Okay. So let me get the rice. First we're gonna toast the rice. I don't normally measure a whole lot because I usually use this as like my measuring device, which is just the lid off this thing. But for this sake, I'll actually measure it. It should be roughly about like 2 cups because I usually fill this thing and it's like a big heap in here. Look, I just fill it up until it's like almost already overflowing, and that's usually going to be it's going to be close to like 2 cups, I bet. Yeah, see that? It's about 2 cups. So we'll bump it up to 2 cups. We're going to do the math on this. So it's going to be 2 cups. So that's 16 ounces of rice. So it'll be like 32 ounces of liquid. All right. Toasting the rice. I'm gonna put that there and let that start toasting up. All right. And while that's toasting up, you can season it. I'll throw in a little bit of oregano, some paprika. Okay, so if you're looking at it, it's probably like a teaspoon of paprika, a teaspoon of oregano. That's about it. You can salt it. This right here, about the same thing. It'll be about. This is my chicken tomato flavored chicken bouillon, and that'll be about a tablespoon. And you just season it the way you like it. Before you put it to simmer and all that, you'll taste it. You know what I mean?
It smells good.
So let that all taste.
What are you cooking?
All toast.
What are you cooking?
Making the rice for the tacos later. All right. Toast. Where is my cuchara? Okay, let me pop this in. So let the rice toast up. I have it like on a high heat, so it's gonna go very quick. So you just kind of check it around because you don't want it to burn. It will burn. All right, let me throw a little bit of pepper in here, and probably a little bit more salt. Don't be afraid to season it. Where is my opener? I'll use this.
Your can opener?
Yeah.
Oh, it's right here.
I got it. Okay. Let that come to a sizzle. So that, you gotta count the tomato sauce as 8 ounces. And then, yeah, these are 8 ounce containers. So it's 8, 16, 24. All right?
Mm-hmm.
24, 32.
Yeah.
So that's the 32 ounces. And that's all that takes.
Good
Yeah.
thing something's good.
Bring it up to a boil. Get all the flavor mixed in. And don't be afraid to taste it and adjust it how you want it. If you wanted salt, don't add too much salt because as it you know, the water, the rice absorbs all the water and everything. It might be a little bit too salty. So if it's like right on the edge of where you like it, maybe ease off a little bit. So, all right. So that's all mixed in. Let's give it a little taste. Oh, see, that's just right. Not too salty. It's got the little chicken base, tomato flavored chicken base, a can of tomato sauce. I put a little paprika in there, a little oregano, and that should be it. You can also add whatever seasonings you want. If you want to throw in the cumin, the comino, you want to throw in, you know, some chili powder. If you want to use pato sauce instead of the regular plain tomato sauce, you can do that too. You can use tomato paste, whatever. It's all preference after that. So we're gonna bring that up to a boil. While that's doing that, I'll get my lid. Have lids. All right. Is that the thumbnail? Okay, so there it goes. It's going to come up to a boil now. And then once it starts to boil, let it boil for about a minute or two. And then just turn it down. Put the lid on it. Leave it alone.
Turn it down.
And
to like
about 15, 20 minutes or so. And then, you know, you'll be able to see it through the glass. You know, it'll evaporate and absorb all the liquid. And it should be good. All right. Okay, so as it's gone, we're just gonna let it come to a boil, and then we'll come back check on it when it's done. All right. All right, now we're back. I'm gonna check this out. It's been cooking for about 15, 20 minutes or so, and it's just about ready. You know. Actually, it actually is ready. So there might be some of the stuff that's, you know, on the sides. Yeah, it's ready. And everything just comes up. Everything's expanded pretty good. Ooh, I like that stuff right there. That's stuff on the sides. The pegado. Alright. This is my red rice. A Mexican rice, Spanish rice, I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it. It's usually just the red rice. You can also, before you close it up and let it steam for the last couple minutes or so, you can throw in your vegetables. Like if you're going to throw in, some people like, you know, mixed vegetables in there. My grandma used to do like corn or carrots and peas and carrots or whatever. And, you know, that's all by preference. So, yeah, that's all that is. That's the rice. And let me give it a taste. Okay, so. Oh, yeah.
You good?
Of course. It's the rice. It's always good. You know? Well, that's going to go good with the tacos we're going to make. So, once again, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to our you know, videos. I want to thank you guys for you know, watching us. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit that dinner bell to get notifications every time we post something up. We're going to try to post a little bit more, you know, on the regular. You know, we've been in the process of getting into a new place and everything. So, well, that's it for now. So this is Just Cooking. Thank you very much. See you guys later.